Hey y'all, I'm Tashana Kiana, and today we're going to be doing some finger coils. So the product I'm going to be using for my finger coils is this aloe vera gel, and I have never used aloe vera gel on my hair, so I do not know how it's going to turn out. So this finger coil could either be a success or a fail, but we're going to see together. So last night I already washed and deep conditioned my hair, and I put some leave-in in kinky curly knot today. So my hair is already washed, deep conditioned, and somewhat detangled, and I already had leave-in in it. So the next step, all we have to do is, go in and start doing finger coils with aloe vera gel. So I'm gonna drench the hair with water. So here I'm just taking the gel and I'm putting it on my roots first because I don't want puffy roots. And I'm also going to apply it to the ends of my hair as well. Next, you can take a Denman brush or a paddle brush. I'm using the paddle brush. And you're just going to detangle from the bottom to the top. I usually don't use a Denman brush or a paddle brush for my styles, but for this style, I need my hair to be thoroughly detangled. Miss Thing woke up while mommy was trying to film, right, Miss Thing? Right, Miss Thing? Right? So I have to be back, you guys. Okay, I'm back, y'all. So I have to re-wet my hair because I was gone too long. But all I'm going to do is just spray it down with my water bottle. And then start finger coiling. So you want to make sure you turn it at the root really tight a couple times, and then start finger coiling and smoothing on down. So I'm going to air dry for at least an hour, and then I'm going to sleep with my hair in 5 ponytails and a satin bonnet. And this is the next day and my hair is fully dry, so I'm going to take some avocado oil and rub it on my hands. So to separate, I just pull the finger coil apart and then I'll coil it back in the direction that it's already in. If you coil it in the other direction, it'll come apart. Okay, you guys, this is the finished result. If you like this style, comment below and let me know. And don't forget to subscribe for more weekly videos.